Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the online classes of Iqra Hufaz Boys Secondary School, a project of Iqra Education System. This video session is for English composition for class 7. My dear students, I hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In the previous class, we discussed the parts and a format of a letter, and today we will write a letter. So now look at the board for instructions. Write a letter to your elder brother to inform him about your result. My dear students, in the previous class we designed the format of a letter and we left some space to be filled. And today we will fill that space according to our subject of a letter. बेटा पिछली क्लास में हमने एक फॉर्मेट लिखा था और उसमें कुछ जगह हमने छोड़ दी थी, ठीक है। हम आज उसी फॉर्मेट को लेंगे और जो जगह हमने छोड़ी थी उसको हमने लेटर के सब्जेक्ट के मुताबिक फिल करेंगे। ओके, लेटर राइटिंग। एज यू नो, वी स्टार्ट अ लेटर विद द नेम and address of our writer and the date on the upper right corner of the page. Okay, examination hall, comma, A.B.C. school, comma, Karachi with capital K, dated 23rd of July 2020. Then we start with the salutation on the left side along the margin line. Dear brother, comma, Assalamu alaikum. I was glad to receive your letter and hear from you. I felt good to know that you are in the best condition of your health. I am writing this letter in response to your last letter. Here we will add some points to show the purpose of writing the letter, and we are writing the letter to inform our brother about the result. Here they are. I am writing this letter in response to your last letter in which you asked me about my result. मैं ये ख़त आपको लिख रहा हूँ आपके पिछले ख़त के जवाब में जिसमें आपने मुझसे मेरे रिज़ल्ट के बारे में पूछा था. So I want to inform you that I have got 92% marks in total. तो मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने सब मिलाकर 92% मार्क्स हासिल किए हैं. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी आई गॉट रिजल्ट ऑफ माई हार्ड वर्क. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, मुझे मेरी मेहनत का सिला मिल गया है. नाउ आई वॉन्ट यू टू सेंड माई गिफ्ट एज यू हैड प्रॉमिस्ड मी टू गिव ऑन माई रिजल्ट. अब मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप मुझे मेरा गिफ्ट भेजें जो आपने मुझसे वादा किया था मेरे रिजल्ट पर देने का. ओके, now write ending, closing, sorry. And the closing is, I would like to hear from you at your convenience. Note the spelling of convenience. In the format of a letter, I mistakenly skipped N. That is why I am notifying here CONVENIENCE, convenience. So I would like to hear from you soon at your convenience. Take very good care of yourself. Pay my salam to all. We will write ending at the right bottom of the page and a line will be skipped before ending. Here a line will be skipped. With love, comma, x dot, y dot, z dot. Okay. Now I'm going to exemplify you how to do the work in the notebook. You start your letter writing work with the parts of a letter, address of a writer, then date, then a line is skipped, salutation, body, closing, and skip a line, and then ending. If you are writing letter to your family members like your brother, your sister, your father and mother, or your cousins, so you can start your letter with the opening body and purpose. And if you are writing to somebody else, then you need to give your introduction. Okay? Then on the next page you will have your letter format. I explained this format during the class well. Here I'm just demonstrating you how to do the work in the notebook. Okay, and after this, and finally you will write your letter in this way. Examination hall, comma, A dot B dot C dot school, comma, Karachi, full stop. Then a line is skipped. Salutation, dear brother, assalamu alaikum. I was glad to receive your letter and hear from you. I felt good to know that you are in the best condition of your health. Here we have completed with the opening body. Then I'm starting the purpose. Here I'm writing this letter in response to your last letter, in which you asked me about my result. So I want to inform you that I have got 92% marks in total. I'm very happy. I got the result of my hard work. Now I want you to send my gift as you had promised me to give on my result. Here we have done with the body and the purpose. Now change the paragraph for closing. I would like to hear from you soon at your convenience. Take very good care of yourself. Pay my salam to all. Then a line is skipped and ending with love, comma, X dot, Y dot, Z dot. Hope you have understood well and will do your work. We will meet inshallah in the next class. Assalamu alaikum.